We integrate the second equation, that gives me EAB plus ESE U0 is equal to NPX. It is better that we bring the denominator at this side. So
Uh, Hi, Gomati, is it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, hi, I'm Shrikant, the TA for the course.
Hello, sir. Hi.
Yeah, hi. So, how are you? Are you able to follow the lectures?
Yes, sir. Actually, I had just like while doing the assignments of the last 2 weeks, I had just covered only those concepts. I am busy with my college project, so I'm not able to take out much time in this. So that's why I joined this session to like get to know the at least the outline of what's going on in this course. So
Okay. So, I think many very few people have registered. I think this course is slightly
thank you, Kanika.
yeah, this course is I think slightly specific and I think advanced. So
Okay.
and I think second week onwards, I think you can see that uh, like it's mathematically heavy, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I scored very low marks in assignment. I was not able to do it actually. So
That's
that's why
yeah,
I
that's okay, I
that's
think.
why I joined here. So like I was trying to get hold of it, like what's going on, and
Okay. Uh, yeah, so in previous tutorials, like I had mentioned that you can uh, write an email to me if any specific thing you want to be covered and people said
okay.
yes, but I think no one particularly asked any question. I think, yeah, most people are like you, they're busy in their college works and are doing the assignments last minute only.
Yes, but we have since committed to the course. It's our duty to just be committed to the course. So it's a mistake on our side, sir. But I'll try to do my best hereafter. At least from week 3, I'll try to cope up with it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, so I'll send you my official email ID. Uh,
Yes, sir.
because the problem is TA session is every week, no? Um,
Oh,
but I and then let's say every Tuesday it happens, and let's say the next day, Wednesday, is the submission deadline.
okay. Yes, yes, yes.
So it's slightly problematic for me, like what I should cover, and if someone, I would ideally like to cover something that is useful for someone immediately,
Yes,
um,
yes, yes,
because
exactly.
in 2 hours I cannot cover, let's say, like 1 week worth of anyway those lectures are long, no? I cannot
Exactly,
cover that
exactly.
in 2 hours. So I was also confused as to what I should cover. So yeah, uh, you can also take this email ID and please feel free to specify which things you would want me to elaborate upon. So
Yes,
that
sir, sure, sure.
otherwise, otherwise, okay, week two, if uh, if you want. to go through. Um, okay, one problem is that I think it's like these slides are not given, right?
Yes, sir. The PowerPoint. We have to take our own notes with respect to the lectures. Mm.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
That's uh,
That is slightly problematic. So I will try.
actually it is fine with us taking notes. We'll be more at in my perspective. I think we'll be more attentive towards the lecture. If the PPT itself is directly provided, okay, that's actually for last minute revision before the exam. That's highly useful. I agree, but when it comes to like attentively like taking notes or listening to lectures, I guess maybe you can consider uploading it once all the 12 weeks are done, sir. So all together you can consider uploading it
Okay, okay.
so
For
that
revision.
it might be for revision purposes. But
Okay.
if just we get it now itself, there'll be like some sort of laziness in us, to be honest, to like just take the note and like write the notes for ourselves.
Yeah, yeah, that is also there. Um, but yeah, like even like I'm also like going through these videos before the TA session, so uh, I have also found it slightly difficult because I'm taking like screenshots and then after each slide is
Okay.
over, I'm taking
Okay. Okay.
screenshot and like putting it in a PPT because
Okay. Okay. In
suddenly,
your
let's say,
perspective, it's okay.
hmm?
In your perspective, I like get it what you're like going through. So
Yeah, my issue is like okay, once I watch the entire video, then let's say if I'm like trying to recollect something or just want to look at the formula once again or like oh what is this constant defined as, so suddenly like finding the exact timestamp in the video, that is also slightly problematic.
yes, yes, I agree, sir.
Yeah, so I was taking, so okay, I'll upload these on, I think, yeah, there will be some folder I'll have to make and I'll upload these. Uh, okay, otherwise, like you, okay, so
Sir, may I like go out of the course and just ask you a few questions regarding to like aircraft structures? Actually, I am interested towards aircraft structures. I'm like
yeah, you can ask. Hello, hello. Yeah,
do
yeah, you can
my
ask.
master's first. So, and then I'm like most interested in aircraft structures. So, I like to pursue my career in it. Would you like to like give me any a piece of advice or like a route map on how to work on it? And regarding the paper publications, actually, I aim to work in any like industries rather than doing research. So I'm more towards that manufacturing and like industrial works. So would you like to like give any
So,
advice
so
so
currently
that
you're
I
doing
could?
masters.
No, I'm doing my bachelor's
Okay, in?
aeronautical engineering.
Okay, okay. Uh, so I would, so structure specifically.
Yes, sir. Aircraft structures.
Okay, I would say that if you want to go into industry, then you, like, to begin with, you have to have a really good CGPA in your bachelor's. If
Okay, sir.
if
Okay.
anyone tells you that CGPA does not matter, I would say that is not true because for
Okay.
bachelor students, that is the most important thing.
Okay.
Companies also don't know how to, evaluate different candidates. So many people will apply. So they will just simply say,
Exactly.
okay, whoever is highest CGPA, will take them like that. Even for internship, you will see that if you're applying for internship also, there will be competition and they'll just put CGPA filter.
Exactly. Okay.
So yeah, I would say uh, for at bachelor's, I would say make sure that your CGPA is high.
Okay,
That
sir.
is that should be number one priority. And then um, okay, then what you can do is I think secondary, but yeah, to the extent possible, yeah, do internships like or do, I think, let's say you're doing this NPTEL course, which is, so this is uh, probably not bachelor's level, or at least I think final year elective type course.
Yes, sir. I'm in pre-final year actually, so I took it as a challenge to complete. Actually, I'm doing a project regarding this. I mean, like piezoelectric materials and
Oh,
vibrations and stuff. So
okay.
I thought, why not take this course and like get a few more knowledge on this topic. So that's my main motive of joining this course actually.
Okay, so in that case, one pathway that I could suggest for, because I am from academia, is like one pathway is you can, let's say, take this course sincerely. You can learn these concepts, and then you can maybe look for groups which are working in piezo, like
Okay.
in institutes like academic institutes.
Okay.
Let's say I am from ISC, like you'll have so many institutes where there is research or
Yes. Yes.
something going on. So look for like research associate type positions in
Okay.
those labs. Contact them, see what type of work is going on, uh, and choose an experimental lab, because what that will give you is, after your graduation, you
Mm.
will get a good opportunity to maybe earn a bit also, but although like it's not that important to earn, but still you can earn a bit,
Yes.
and
Yes.
then you will work under a very academic environment, so you'll learn a lot and you learn specific things. Then you can like parallelly apply in industry to various things. But I think
Yes.
directly
Yes.
if you apply to industry, you it
Might
might
not
be
get.
harder.
Yes.
It
Yes.
might be
Yes. Yes.
harder.
Yes.
So these things are also there. So if
Yes, sir. So,
yeah, so if you let's say are interested, like you're saying, in piezo's and vibrations, so then I would say that this course is there. Then there are also other courses related to vibration. So uh, you should definitely do them seriously.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh, like modal analysis, structural dynamics, things like that, and really understand, I would say. Um,
Ah,
make sure your
okay.
theory is good, and then like you can approach various labs, and then you can write. So this is let's say example I'm giving, like, okay, I have done these
Okay.
things. This is my area of interest. I want to, you know, uh, there are people like, for example, some people just offer to do internship for free also. Like, for
Okay.
example, in my lab, some student came from NIT Trichy. He did
Oh,
2 months internship for almost free. I think my prof gave him some money out of courtesy, not much,
okay. Okay.
but no official position. But
Oh,
he learned a lot in 2 months here. He learned a lot. He put that in his CV, and later now he's like definitely that has also added to his CV. His CGPA was also
okay.
good.
Oh,
So
okay.
both are there. So I would say, yeah, like, so you can take this route also. Like,
Yes, sir.
if you
I
are
get it. Thank
academically
you so much.
inclined, yeah, if you're academically inclined, then people would like to take you in their labs or things like that. So for companies, I would maybe ask someone else. For companies, maybe I'll
Okay,
ask.
sir.
Yeah, but yeah, this is there.
Thank you, sir. So I was actually I had an idea that you can't just directly enter an industry and just start to work. So I had a clear idea about that. But what to do before joining an industry is what I was confused of. So now I got at least a mind map of what I have to do. So thank you, sir.
I mean, you are valued for your expertise, right? So because this
Exactly.
is very early stage, you should focus on building these expertise things. Definitely work with softwares. Uh, let's say CAD softwares, FEM.
Yes, sir. But, I had actually done a project in ANSYS. Actually, during my second year, I did a project in ANSYS with regards to like thermodynamics, like in boxer engines that is being used in like Cessna aircrafts. So
Mm-hmm.
I had done a project. I had actually recreated a boxer engine using ANSYS, and then I scaled it down, and then I performed the thermal. It was actually a very basic project, actually, but still I learned through that. But in our curriculum, I guess it's in the seventh semester, the FEM thing. But actually, we can't wait for the academics to complete. So I'm yet to learn a lot
Okay,
in
okay.
FEM.
Yeah, I mean, like this is this stage, like your knowledge will not be complete. See, that is the thing. Like these core fields, no, you you need to know things. Like you can't learn one skill and you can't just, like, okay, this is my skill. I can code like this. I will rely on this coding skill. I, I mean, I think that you cannot do. So you need to know things,
Mm-hmm.
and if you know things, then you're also valued for that. So that is, and I think there is more enjoyment also because of that. Um, yeah, so FEM, one is the software side and the other is the coursework, like what is that coursework will teach you what is happening behind the scenes, things like that.
Mm-hmm.
Then, so yeah, typically industry will use FEM tools, CAD softwares, and then if you go to a lab, then you can, for example, our lab works with 3D printers, vibration testing, like vibration shaker and uh, impact testing, and we measure the vibration with different things like accelerometer or some laser Doppler
Mm-hmm.
vibrometry, or so these things are there. So these things will come under some experimental um, vibration course.
Mm-hmm.
So there is, so vibrations, you can learn the theory aspect, then you can learn the experiment side, and once you know both, then you will really connect both, and then if you're working at a place, you can really, like understand all that. Then
Okay.
you will see, okay, what is things like how to, like, typically, time domain, right?
Yeah.
Time domain
Okay, sir.
means some, let's say, displacement. How is displacement varying as a function of time,
Mm.
right?
Okay.
Right? Example, that is called time domain. Let's say you are measuring some displacement or something. You're seeing, okay, this displacement is varying like this because of vibration. As time is going, this is what is happening to displacement. So that analysis is called time domain analysis. So there's another analysis. It is called frequency domain analysis. So when you, let's say, will do some dynamics course, then you will realize, oh, what is frequency analysis? Why is it important? And
Okay.
so there will be things like this. You'll understand that you can look at vibration problems from frequency domain, and you can understand them very easily compared to time domain. I mean, okay, at this point it may not be making much sense, but so there are things like these which you will come to know when you do all these things. So
Okay, sir.
you understand, right? So vibration
Yes,
dynamics.
yes.
So the theory side, you can pick something. The experimental side, you can pick something. Then I would say the software side, FEM and all, in those things also you can, like you did heat analysis, no, thermal. So
Mm-hmm.
similarly, you can do vibration analysis also. So
Okay, sir. Okay.
so how so typically people will do it, right? Because if let's say the vibrations are too much, then failure chances are high. You want to,
Mm, exactly.
yeah. So there is some frequency range. Let's say in let's say your engine, there's some frequency of operation. at that
Mm.
frequency of operation, some resonance should not be there. Otherwise, resonance, like vibration, will keep increasing. You know, you must have
Yes, yes.
seen a typical washing machine uh, when it starts spinning. So initially,
Mm.
it will, obviously, when it's stationary, it is not vibrating much. But slowly, as it starts spinning, there will be some speed at which it vibrates a lot. You know,
Yes, yes.
it is,
Yes,
yeah, the machine is moving here and there. But if it becomes even higher than that speed, then it does not move again.
yes, yes.
So at low
Okay.
speeds it's fine, at high speeds also it is fine, but in between there is some speed where the whole machine, shakes very vigorously.
Shakes. Yes.
So why is that speed important? So those things you will understand from, let's say, your dynamics. So there's something called
Okay.
natural resonance, right? So
Yes, yes.
yeah,
When
so
the frequency of the object like matches with the frequency of the surrounding.
excitation.
Is-
Yes. So so the spinning is giving it some frequency, right? So that frequency is somehow matching with the frequency of the whole washing machine. So
Yes.
so similarly, let's say in vibration problems, what you do is you identify what are the natural frequency of various components and total, like the, let's say, the entire machine also. So then you will see, okay, if these are the natural frequencies, either you will, like, move those natural frequencies away. Something you'll do. Maybe you'll make them higher
Mm.
frequency or lower frequency, or something you'll do. Or you will
Mm-mm.
try to change the excitation frequency, something like. So, so you
Okay.
have to understand these things, and then you have to decide, okay, what do I do? What is the solution? So these things are fun. So I think structures, like a lot of, uh, yeah, these things are quite fundamental to structures, the vibration problems. Um,
Yes, sir.
hmm. And these are the approx skill sets that you need to know. Um, yeah,
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Actually, I apologize for not like coming prepared for the lecture. Actually, I was like, people will come and they'll be asking their doubts. I thought like I learned from those doubts at least. So I'm sorry that I'm not prepared anything regards
yeah,
to the
that's okay.
class.
You're the only one who joined, so that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so you okay, fine then. Like, I guess then, like, go through the lectures, and you
Yes, sir.
can.
I'll come prepared the next week and I'll surely come with some doubts to ask.
Yeah. Cool. So yeah, like, if you have any more questions, you can ask, or you can leave also, or we can go through the solutions of first and second. Um, those, I think, they have been released. So up to
Ah,
you.
yes, sir.
You can decide.
Yes, yes. I'm okay with okay. Actually, I'll just go through the first
Okay,
and
fine.
second, sir, and
Yeah,
then
you go
I'll
through.
like if you just explain me the questions that I've made mistakes on, then I'll be able to understand it better rather than like not having a basic like a clear idea of the concept. And if you try to explain me, I guess
You'll
that would
confuse. Okay.
yes. So
Yeah, okay, fine. Then go through them, I guess.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
So
Thank you so much, sir.
tomorrow
Thank
I
you.
think is one more assignment deadline, no?
Yes, sir. Week three's assignment is due tomorrow.
Yeah. So so yeah, I guess then maybe attempt that, I would say, like.
I'll try for sure, sir. I'll try. I'll just go through like a basic concept of 2x speed the first 2 weeks, and then I'll concentrate on third week so that I could complete the assignment before tomorrow.
Yeah, okay, go through them. Cool.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for
Thank you.
joining. Yeah, bye.
Thank you. Bye.